Here's a little something for everybody's viewing pleasure. It's got 4 gigs of memory. It's got some sort of like an SSD or M.2 drive. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad. It is an X131E. There's 2 different variants of these. There's the AMD and then there's the Intel, and I'm not really sure which one this one is as of yet. I believe got it at a yard sale for $2 at the 40 sales.
Yes.
In Indiana. That's where we got it from. A little bit later on, I will also upload a video of come on, focus, the power cable unboxing. It looks to be in good shape. The screen needs to be cleaned. All the keys are present. The trackpad is good. Everything seems to be pretty good. So it's got a camera right there on the top. It's probably got a microphone somewhere. Yeah, it's a microphone. It's right there on the side. You can barely see it. There's a small shot of it. It won't really focus on it, but there it is, right there. We're going to test this out a little bit later. Got the power cable for it. You might be able to pause the video to read some of that. I don't know if it's readable. They call them Chromebooks, but you can put Windows on some of them too. So we'll figure it out. Hinges are in pretty decent shape. From where I can see, it's never been taken out. It's got VGA, 2 USB 3.0, Ethernet, headphones. Let's see, what do we got on the other side? HDMI and a card reader. And always on USB and power. That's all that it has for ports. You can hook up external drives and whatnot to it. Oh, okay, it's actually a Wi-Fi light. That's what that little thing is. Pretty cool. Decent. That'll do it for now. We'll do an unboxing of the power cord and do a smoke test later on that too. Thank you everybody for watching. Soon we'll also have some video game unboxings that I got from different claim sales. So that'll be coming up later in the week. Hopefully the uploads will be coming back as far as games and computers. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe. More to come later. Bye for now.